Hey everyone, Tainted Kane here, and just waiting for the bus. Making sure there's no one else around here, so I don't look crazy. So yeah, this is a snowstorm in Toronto, or well, where am I? Like Richmond Hill? Yeah, Richmond Hill. Uh, it's snowing like crazy here. Don't really have much to say other than I'm just heading home. Probably gonna get home late. Wear my Superman shirt. Got my gloves. Got my Tim Hortons coffee. You know how you do. I'm actually gonna flip the camera around and show you guys a little bit of the snowstorm. Hope you enjoy. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Canada after a snowfall. This is more akin to what we're used to. We've been having a really nice winter so far. Not too much snow. Last month has been cold, but having December and November all nice. I was getting used to that. And now we're back to this. All this snow here. And what's awful about living up in Newmarket compared to like Toronto is that no one really gives a shit about the sidewalks here because everyone drives except me and school kids. I tweet York Region this every year. I'll probably just not tweet and just show you guys what the hell I have to deal with. I already showed you me walking here and how it's not plowed at all. No one really cares. Here, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. You see, like, none of that is plowed. That stuff is about, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches. None of that is plowed at all. No one really cares. I've had to deal with much worse in the past. Not sure if you can hear me. All the cars going by. Let's see if I can walk in here. Buses are always late during the snowfall. Got some weird echo thing going on. It's just the worst. Yeah, there you go. So I hope you all enjoyed that. Gave you a bit of an insight at what Canada is like in the winter. It's closely becoming spring now, so that's going to be awesome. It's sunny, sun's coming in on my face. So here's for the giveaway for Retro City Rampage. Got 2 entries this week. Entries are dying down, so I don't know if I should keep doing these because I like to do the giveaways for my subscribers and my people who like comment. You know, come in. You know, it's a nice way to like give back to the community in a sense. So we have Gruff Madness. We have another fucking gamer. So let's do it. Pick a random item. Blam. Congrats, AFG. I don't know what you want me to call you. AFG. Another fucking gamer. Congrats on the win, boy. So, I think you're a boy or a man. You're probably a man. Yeah, you're probably a man. So this week I'm gonna do this giveaway. If there's like not that many submissions, I don't know if I should hold back or not. You guys tell me for sure. I like doing them. I have lots of keys to give away, and I just like doing it for the community. So we have Panarium. I'm actually going to clip in some of the footage from that game on their trailer into this vlog, and you guys could just see what it looks like from there. So swipe right, or wait, that's left. Swipe right. Okay. Alright, hope you enjoyed that. That's next week's giveaway, and I hope to see you all at the next Tainted vlog. Till then, have an awesome time. Bye-bye.